Pozdrav svima ljudi, ovdje je Temi Ranger. Danas radimo na reakciju na YouTube Poop, Sunđerbob, SquarePants i znači gledamo danas. Inače, da vam budem, pre nego što pogledamo ovaj video, želim da vam kažem da je bio prvi put onaj drugi s reklamu za kebab krabe bio još jači i bolji nego ovaj. Ali ajde pređimo na stvar. Šta je ovo, čovječ?
You want it? Fuck her right in the pussy!
Give me a good old rub. Welcome aboard. If you're watching this video, then let me be the first to say you are a gay fucking asshole. You've recently been found by Mr. Krabs. You've been hired. You've recently been hired by the Krusty
Imao iz početka, pošto vidim da razumijem sve rekao.
Give me a good old rub.
Nije toliko smiješno kao onaj jedan prvi je bio.
If you're watching this video, then let me be the first to say you are a gay fucking asshole. You've recently been found by Mr. Krabs. You've been hired. You've recently been hired by the Krusty House, and this is your first official day of training.
Can I now?
Oh no, you've got a lot to learn before you're ready to find Squidward. As you can see by this, as you can see by this graph.
Are you ready, kids? Aye, aye, Captain!
You are now employed by one of the most successful hosts. It's in Mr. Krabs' but it didn't get that way overnight. The story of the Krusty is a story of one man's hard work, hard-perverted vision, hard masturbation, and sweat. But mostly, his determination to masturbate is hard count from humble beginnings.
Okay.
Gay Bishop has always been the bankrupted wizard he is today. And you're wrong. Mr. Krabs has always been depressed. After the war, Krabs stayed seeking his but then his depression changed when he acquired an erection that seemed endless. And when he came on Squidward, he acquired a retirement home. And with a few alterations, the Krusty was born. Sounds like a lot of gay.
Okay, to je onaj.
Sounds like a lot of shit. Ah, you. Wrong. The Krusty today. That was lovely.
It's delicious!
To keep up with today's demanding customers, no expense has been spared to
Okay,
acquire all the
sad ćemo
latest
challenge
achievements
da
in
ne se ne
fast
smijem.
pumping technology.
This here is an advanced
Employee
control mechanism. Here you can see our automated handling system.
order Krusty country.
Check. Customers order crusty cons. Ok, to znači dođe mušterije naručuju crusty cons. Ono, okej.
Looks like Mr. Squarepants understands that people are the fucking retarded. Here's a typical sucker. C, a lip moistening. C.
Na kraju.
Ah, shit. You a now that you understand, I bet you think you're ready to find Squidward.
Zašto sam se smeo?
Haha, not so fast. You succeed. We haven't even talked about personal hygiene. Every employee of the Krusty must comply with a strict set of personal hygiene guidelines. Okay, are you ready to eat your shit? A good employee always scrubs his cock thoroughly. Be sure to get under those testicles. After making sure your face is neat and tidy, now that's thorough. You are ready to start the day. Now let's see how Squidward prepares his shit. Remember, no employee wants to suck Squidward. Now that you're clean and hygienic, I'll bet you think you're ready to eat Squidward. See. Whoa there! We still have a few more topics to cover first.
Šta je, bro?
Your workstation. It's important to keep your fucking stupid beach. Squidward. Remember what Mr. Krabs says.
No. That's right, Squidward. You're not a very sexy employee.
Fine.
I'll have an,
Patrick. We'll check in with these two later. Right now, it's important that we discuss an emergency situation. Many consider the Krusty Controller house to be a treasure, so it's up to you to what the It's Mr. Krabs' business rival, Plankton. Eat my microscopic crabs. What are you going to do, Mr. Squareass? Hey, Krabs! You'll take this from me when you my cold, dead ass. No! And so another emergency is avoided. Let's check in on Squidward again. Patrick, if I could make a suggestion, why don't you fuck me?
Great idea, Squidward.
Hang in there, Squidward. It's all part of the job. Now that we've covered all the basics of your training, it's time for the moment you've been waiting for. At the center of every great dynasty is the crown jewel, which keeps it alive and thriving. For the YouTuber, this is the subscriber. And now you will learn the sacred and dark secret of how to prepare YouTube videos. Are you ready? Are you sure? Does this look sure to you? Okay! The secret is you, the humble watcher of this video, the all necessary human resource that subscribes to this shit. Congratulations!
Thank you.
You see, for subscribing.
Nemam pojma ko je taj tip, bro. Ok, ovo je bilo nešto, ali da kažem, nije uopšte smešno, iskreno. Bilo je nešto malo, ali to nije smešno kao, kako da vam kažem, ja prvi koji sam video taj video, isto sličan takav, o reklami za kebab krabu, ovo što je na engleski, mislim, nadam se da znate engleski, pa sigurno svi znamo i tako da pričamo i to sve. Ali da vam budem upozorio da ovaj video nije smešan koji sam ja video tad ko mali prvi put, on je bio još lepši, ali šteta što ne može se naći da ga tražimo gdje je to. Ajde da vidimo ko je beše. Ne. Ajde da vidimo ovaj. Sunđerbob. Dobro.
Time theater presentation of
Fantastic.
O ne. To je robot, znaš kako je jezivo.
What if Mom is a robot? Not. Mommy? Mom Bear?
I will cut you.
Robot, if you were Gary, you'd tell me, right?
John Cena!
John Cena, to je dobar sam.
How about a little Mewtwo?
And now for the #1 song in Bikini Bottom.
Squidward! It's slow. Objection.
Squidward, why are you Mom? Oh.
I'm waiting for number 17's order.
17 polis.
Pretty funny, huh?
Narudžbu. Izgleda košlje da smešno.
Hilarious.
Pa da.
Pretty funny.
Shut the f*** up! The one that goes bee boo 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 bop boo boo beep.
No, man.
Bee boo 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 boo. Beep beep bop.
Samo na trenutak. I evo nas opet.
Beep bop boo boo. Beep bop. Not bee boo boo beep. Bop. Beep.
Da
Back
besno.
in the kitchen.
Pretty funny, huh? Laugh.
Is it true, Squidward? Is it hilarious?
Yeah.
Laugh.
Why couldn't the 11-year-old get the movie?
Why?
It was pirated.
Da, jako smešno.
He didn't laugh because he could laugh because he's
A stupid movie. Now why don't you?
hugged him.
Stupid movie.
Robots can't love. Robots can't love.
Oh yeah, Mr.
Moj oči. Dukarel.
I'll evacuate the customers. You
Call the Navy.
Hello, operator. Get me the Navy.
Stvarno, pa nisam trebao.
Squidward, the robots are running the Navy.
not the Navy! Attention, everyone! Run for your lives! Robots have taken over the world!
Oh, brother, this guy's...
What am I fighting for?
What do we do now?
I don't know. Hey, a nickel.
SpongeBob,
Sorry. They get the poop on the robot.
they used to poop on the robot?
Yeah, you know, they get the straight toss.
Let's get that you do poop.
Because you two, it's where the blue fits.
Oh, hello, boys.
Jao, ne.
SpongeBob, Squidward. What's the meaning of this?
Shut up.
I can't take it.
Life.
No, that's not Mr. Krabs. That's Robot Krabs.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
Where's Mr. Krabs?
I'm Mr.
Where's Mr. Krabs?
I'm Mr. I am.
純粋な光の心に
O, japanski.
の力や誇りまでが地に落ちるぞ
Will it blend? That is the question.
No, that cost me 5.
Go
Fine.
get the toaster.
All toasters.
No! Mi torta! This is the last robot, Squidward.
No, not my cat. If we're underwater, how could there?
It was just their imagination. Gotta move fast.
Hadi bir gitmek.
Just call me John C. Just call me Dad.
Okej. Ovo je bilo smešno. Ok, imamo još jedan video koji bih htio i ovaj da pogledamo. Šta je?
We can hear SpongeBob and Patrick go. Wouldn't it be great if they got lost in the woods and never came back?
Patrick, I'm scared.
Oh, that would be. You waited a long time for this. A soft bed, warm this tea. A good book, and 2 whole days with no.
Squidward's such a jerk.
SpongeBob, aren't you two supposed to be camping? Camping.
Camping. Okay.
Camping.
Have fun with city folk.
Now you'll see how a real.
Gotta write this down
He's tenderizing the ground.
Okay.
He's tenderizing the ground.
Patrick Dukre. Koristi.
I suppose you two are gonna stew up some canned twigs and rocks, right?
My king
Što pojede čovjeka?
Patrick, over.
Got sponge.
Fuck
It's been one of those days.
Yummy!
Squidward.
Swedish Pokeball.
It's nice
Švedski
to
Pokemon.
unwind. I call this one the song. Let's gather around the song. Our CFC song. And if you think that we think that we can sing it faster than your but it'll sing it.
Pošto ga pljuo.
Just a lynchy song. Song, help it, you
Što bi rekao za ovo video,
Squidward! Good!
Ok, dosta.
Now, wasn't that relaxing?
No, this is relaxing.
O ne! Sonic EXE. Nema šanse. Mislim da ste vidjeli sigurno da bi igrao tu još Sunđer i Čale. I kako već, kako se kaže, koji bi još igrao? Još neko igrao naših youtubera počeo da igra Sonic EXE. Igrica 2012. koju sam ja gledao bila je jako strašna i jeziva u početku igrati. Ali nije bilo nešto veštivno ili jaka nekako, nego danas. Danas je jaka, danas ima animacije jake, ali ovako, inače za mene ta igrica je stvarno jeziva kao del onih creepypasta, ako znate o čemu ja pričam.
Are you alright?
To prežive.
There. Better?
Bolje.
It's too dangerous to play the clarinet badly out here in the wilderness. It just doesn't seem to fit the camping spirit.
Pretty weenie!
Jel,
Don't exist.
stvarno.
What are you saying?
There's no such thing. It's just stupid. Keep me.
Oh,
no,
man.
Squidward. This is all too real.
Well, maybe it is stupid, but it's also stupid.
Patrick, right, Squidward.
Press
This is no
signal.
laughing matter.
I don't think I've ever played glitchy or hacked games before, though I don't think I want to play any after the experience that I had. It started on a nice summer afternoon.
You're right. I should be more careful.
Da, dosta.
Never. Ever.
Slow down.
Squidward, please stop.
Oh, that's pretty fast there. Fish nailed.
Squidward, are you up?
I'm running for my life.
Ne.
Just call it!
Ok, kuće jezivo. Njegovo kuće, šta je? Šta je to bilo? Ok, gledali smo. Ok, želim vam ljudi, to je to sve za danas. Želeo bih da vam pozdravim, znači, shout out na Discord serveru. Znači, sad će vidjeti. Od Lola server, od LOL, kao što Sarmati, za njega posebno reklamiram kao dragog prijatelja. I sljedeće, Temis Fantasy Ranger, otvorio sam Discord server, u komentu imate sve server. I Činabun server isto reklamiram. Ga su puno ovih engleskih drugara, srženi puno shoutout, pozdrav i jako lepo se sreći, blagoslov i to. A to je to. Pozdrav.